want to torture him? We can do it one where it's really good for them. Put a bunch of the treats on the floor. And you'll tell him to leave it. You can put him on his paw, put him on his nose, on his tail.
Leave it.
So take him out of the jar and you put them all around him.
He thinks that I'm going to give him.
Mm-hmm.
Leave it. Leave it.
You can make him lay down so that he
Lie down.
has to make it harder.
Lie down. Lie down. Leave it.
And you can put him closer to him, where it's like right underneath his nose, right on his paw.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Windsor, look. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
No.
Good boy. Don't.
Put some. You can put him just like literally like lay him right on his paw.
No, leave it. Leave it.
And tell him that he's doing a good job because he's really
Good boy.
hanging in there a long time.
Good boy. Leave it.
Good job, Vince. Good job.
Good job.
Yeah,
Leave
good
it.
job. Whoops.
No. Leave it.
Good boy, Vince.
Leave it. I should give him a little bit.
Mm-hmm. When it's all done, you can give him a little treat for that, how well he's done.
Sit. Sit.
Now, do you know why that was really important to do, Duncan?
Why?
Because when we go to a restaurant, there's often food underneath the table.
Leave it.
And they have to be able to just leave it alone and ignore it. And be polite.
Good. Good. You did well with that.
I was looking for any leftovers for me. Good, leave it, Wins. Leave it.
Leave it.
Good boy. Good job, Duncan.
Good boy.
Yay, busies.